Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at the new Slimline Bunting and Lights layering stencil set from Trinity Stamps. This video is a part of the new release from Trinity Stamps called Warm and Cozy. This stencil contains two pieces and it creates the perfect string and lights and the Bunting banners in a quick fashion. The size of this is 6 by 9, and that means it can work on a variety of different sized card fronts. And I will show you here how this would look if you are creating a slimline card. You can see that this will go across really nicely. And you will see later on in the close-ups here that this will also work really great if you're doing it on top of an A2 size card panel. And I really like these Bunting banners. I think it's super cute and I like that you can mix and match the colors really easy. So for the lights here I will actually use the same string from the previous stencil set that you could see. Both of these come in the same pack, and then we can go in and create these cute lights. If you wanted to, you could mask off and create different colors. You will see in the end picture some examples of that as well. But the really fun thing about this is that they are layering up so that it creates a lot of dimension and that you really can see that this is glowing. So I chose a color combination that was yellow and I think that worked out really good, and I think you can see how cute this would be. And of course, as I said previously, you can mix and match this. And I went in with a little bit darker orange there, just to the darkest part or to the light source or whatever you want this to be. And there you can see them side by side. So here is the card that I created with this, and you can see that cute banner that I just cut out. So that is something you also can do. So now I will leave you with some inspiration from the design team, and if you want even more inspiration you can also visit Trinity Stamps Instagram, Facebook and blog. I hope that you are having a great day and I will see you soon. Bye!